Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you how to create text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So first we need to create background. I will choose the black color. Then I will create a very big circle. I will change its color to dark blue. Then we need to edit blur, convert to smart object, and put it to 400 and OK. Then we need to create the text. For example, hello. You can pick any font you need. For now I will pick Anders. Put it in the middle. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and also Ctrl V. Make it bigger. Then we need to create a new rectangle to measure the text size 240. So we'll make it 120. We will divide it to two sections. Then we press the text or select the text and press or hold Ctrl and press in the layer and start erasing. Okay, yeah, start erasing just like this. Ctrl D and hide the rectangle, and you will see like this. But we miss an important step. Blending options, put it fill to 0 and enable stroke and put it to 2px. Do it again here. Zero and 2. And we will make it bigger here. Put it to 18. Hit enter. Put it in the middle. Ctrl C and Ctrl V again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.